ones on here today.
And especially the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable greater distances.
Okay, the past 2 days, you should have, or actually the first day, you should have already finished the fire. It was not long, and it wasn't hard to do. Okay, well, you're trying to turn in to me, I went, probably about an 8.5 by just a regular letter size paper. Okay, on the top of it, do the flame text with your name. You know, you've already done that. And on the bottom half, you can use any word, using any flame, using any colors. I just want you to be creative with them, what you can do. Okay? So that'll be due by Friday. The other thing I need to tell you all is since it is the last days of the 6 weeks, tomorrow.